Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Magical Math Morning Sessions. And today is Deepavali, correct? On this auspicious occasion of Deepavali, I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. And also, Deepavali means lighting. Deepavali means lighting. Deepavali means crackers. Deepavali means laughter, joy. Correct? No? With that Dhamakedar day, we are going to learn one Dhamakedar trick in mathematics, and it's going to blow your mind, and in fact it's going to bring that sparkle of Deepavali lights in your mind, that can we do calculations with such an ease. Okay, let's start learning the trick. It's about finding the squares of numbers ending with 5. That means if you want to find the square of 6, first of all we should know the concept of squares. The squares of any number means the number what you get by multiplying the number by itself. That is, 5 square means 25. 5 into 5 we do. 6 square means 6 into 6, 36. 8 square means 8 into 8, 64. 12 square means 12 into 12, that is 144. This is called as squares. And normally I recommend everyone to learn squares up to 20. If you know the squares up to 20, it is always good and it will come handy when you want to do a quick calculations. But the squaring trick what I'm going to teach you today, and its application for mathematics, it's something amazing, but it is applicable for some specific cases. Okay, and these numbers are the ones which are ending with 5. Preferably we'll start with a small number like two digit numbers. Let's go. Let's take, if you want to find the square of 15. 15 square means what? 15 into 15, correct? How do you write this? You divide 15 into two parts. Whatever number is there other than 5, 1, you multiply with the number after that. What will come after 1? 2. 1 into 2 is 2, and just simply write 5 square, that is 225. 25. Suppose you want to find the square of 25. So what I do? I'll just divide 2. I will do 2 into the number coming after that is 3. 2 3 is a 6, and 5 square I will write just in front of it, 625. Let's try for any big number. 45 square you want to find out. What will come after 4? 5. So 4 5 is a 20, and 5 square is 25. All these numbers are ending with 25. You can observe this. These numbers are ending with 25. Just you need to do the calculation of one number, that's to the number before 5, whatever is there, by using the sutra Ekadhikena Purvena. Adhika means 1. 1 more than the one before. You take 4, and 1 more than that one is 5, and 4 5s are 20. You write it followed by 25. Let's take, you want to find the square of 85 square. What we do? 8 into 9, that is 72, 25, 7225. Can you tell, just like in a flash of seconds? Isn't it such an easy thing? Very good. Now let's try for number. Maybe you want to go for a bigger number like 125 square. What we do? 12 into 13 we do. 12 into 13 is 156 into 25. Suppose you want to find 115 square. What we do? 11 into 12 we think in mind. 11 into 12 is very easy. Correct? No? Anything multiplied by 11 is just you add the digits and put in insert in between. The same trick we are going to use. 11 into 12 is 132, 25. That means 13,225. Isn't it a very easy trick? Very, very easy. Can we apply this one to the bigger numbers? 100% yes. Like special cases, if you want to take, suppose we want to find out 165 squares. So what we have to think in mind? 16 into 17 we have to think. That is 272. Use the tricks, whatever methods I have taught you for multiplications for finding this. 16 into 17, how do we do? 16 tens are 160, 16 sevens are 112. Just you multiply that, you will get 272. That's it. And followed by 25. Isn't it simple? Maybe we want to find out 205 square. What we do? 20 into 21 we do. 21 to the 42, that is 420, followed by 25. Very simple. So if you want to find out 215 square, what we do? 21 into 22, we think in mind. 21 into 22 is, just you take 1 second and calculate, you find it as 462, followed by 25. Isn't it very simple? Be ready with the chart. I will ask some questions and you need to type the answers now. Okay, finding the squares of any number is very easy. Other than 5, whatever number is there, that one you multiply with the number coming after that, its successor. Okay, let's start with a simple one. 55 square. Can you type it quickly? Yes, good morning. And also, the people who are joining, try to find the answer. 55 square. Type the answer quickly. Yes, very simple, correct? 5 you multiply with the number coming after that. What comes after 5? 6. 5 6 is 30, followed by 5 square is 25. That's it. 3025. Isn't it very simple? Yes. Yeah. I think some of you, your chart has come little late. Yes. Let's find out 75 square. Quickly. 7 8 That's what you are going to think. And finally, you got the answer. Be quick with the tables. Then you will get 7 8 and write 25 in front of that. Yes. That's it. Correct? 7 8 Others? Can I get the answer from others also? 7? Yes. You consider the digits which are there other than 5, and for that you are going to multiply with the number coming after that. What comes after 7? 8. 7 8 is 56, followed by 25. That's it. 75 square is 5625. Find out 95 square. Find out 95 square. Yes, 9 tens are 90. Nothing is there. Think 9 into the number coming after that. 9 into 10. 90. 9025. Very simple. If you go for the bigger numbers, it needs a little bit of practice. For example, we want to find out 13 square. Sorry, 135 square. Here, you can find out 13 into 14 in two different ways. Either you do 13 tens are 130, 13 fours are 52. Total you will get 182. Or else you find 13 into 13. 13 square is 169. You add one more 13, you will get 182. Correct? Followed by 25. Correct? Try this little bigger number. Let's try 155 square. Any number we can do with this. 15 into 16 we have to do. Very easy. 15 6 are 150, 15 6 are 90. That is 240. We'll calculate very fast. We should know to use the tricks of multiplication tables what we have taught up to 100. The same thing you can extend here. Correct? 15 into 16 is 240, just followed by 25. Okay, not 025. I think it was a simple typing mistake. It is 24025. You people. Very good. Let's find out 185 square. Try this. 185 square. Think 18 into 19. Yes. 18 into 19. 18 square is 324. Just add one more 18 to that one. Or else 18 tens are 180. Correct? No? 18 nines are 162. Just you can add like this also. Correct? It requires a little bit of practice. Yes. When you do anything above 10, it requires a little bit of a practice. But with practice, it can come very good. And it is 342 followed by 25. Correct? There is only one catch with the numbers. This is actually very simple, correct? For Deepavali gift, shall we stop it here? Because this can be extended to other applications. Maybe you can ask, sir, getting squares of numbers only ending with 5 may take, like, it may come only rarely. Yes, but its application, what you are going to learn tomorrow, definitely it's going to blow your mind. You will be able to multiply all the numbers, either 2 digit, 3 digit, or 4 digit. I'm going to give special extension of this, where the digits can be anything here, but they should add up to 10. For that, if you want to multiply two numbers which are ending with 10, ending with their sum as 10, but having the same numbers here, you will be able to use the same trick and going to multiply them. Okay, and this finding of squares, let's find the last number, one big number. Let's find 100 and, okay, 1005 square. Let's find out, and then we'll wind up today's session. Type the answer. The trick is same, 100 multiplied by the number coming after that. 100 into 101, multiplying of any number with 100 is very easy, correct? Just you can type, yes, 101 will do, followed by two zeros, and then just 25. Yes, very good. And most of you had given the answer. Isn't this trick very easy? You can surprise any of your kids and friends, and this we should never forget, because many times I had used this one, especially when you are doing the problems of statistics and also some quadratic equations problems, where you need to find squares and square roots. Whenever there is a square root of, maybe if you say 132, 25 means what I do, last, if at all there is a 25, I will try to find out what two numbers multiplication it's going to get, consecutive numbers. 11 into 12, correct? No, I will do the reverse operation, and I will do it as 115 is the answer, square root of this, correct? No, because 11 followed by 5, the reverse application also, it will be helpful. So practice this, the squares, and if you do once or twice, and if you try to teach this trick to somebody else, then you will remember forever. We are going to learn its extension tomorrow, and I think everyone is happy for celebrating Deepavali today, and I wish you all a very happy Deepavali. And from now onwards, we'll be going for little deeper topics. And those people who has missed out watching the previous concepts, I recommend you to watch, because many of the students have got 3 to 4 days holidays, and try to watch those things and learn those tricks, and also celebrate Deepavali with safety, and wish you all a happy and safe Deepavali. Thank you, and see you all tomorrow morning with one more dhamakedar